Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel The Live Engineers. In today's video we are going to create this amazing Earth and Moon orbit animation using just HTML and CSS. So let's begin with it. First create one index.html and a style.css file inside our file directory. Then in the index.html give this exclamation mark, change the title and give one content and open the live server to see the live page. So now our server is running. So now let's start editing our page. Let's remove this heading and create one div with the class name container. Inside this container create one div with the class name sun, and inside this sun create one div with the class name of earth, and again inside this earth create one div with the class name of moon. And that is all with our HTML structure. Now let's begin with the styling. First give this channel a structure, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box, and link the CSS file in our HTML folder or directory using the link. So now that the CSS is linked, let's start styling the body. Give it as height of 100 ph, display flex, align item center, justify content center, background color of black, and overflow of hidden, as well as give one color so that we can see the content which we have written as wheat. Now select this dot container class and give font size of 10 pixel, width of 45 em, height of 45 em, position of relative. So now let's get going. Select this dot sun class and give a styling as position of absolute, top of 20 em, left of 20 em, width of 15 em, height of 15 em, background color of yellow, border radius of 50%, and box height of 003 em white. So now you can see the effect like sun. So now we are done with the sun. Let's start styling the earth and moon. So select this dot earth and dot moon class and give a styling as position of absolute, border style of solid, border color of white, transparent, transparent, and transparent, border width of 0.1 em, 0.1 em, 00, and border radius of 50%. Now let's select this dot earth class and give top as 5 em, left as 5 em, width of 30 em, height of 30 em, animation of orbit 36.5 second, linear and infinite. So it will round for the infinite time, and we can see this here. Next select this dot moon class and give top as 0, right as 0, width as 8 em, height as 8 em, animation of again orbit 2.7 second, linear and for the infinite time. Now select this dot earth and before and dot moon before. Give content as blank, position of absolute, border radius of 50%. Next select this only dot earth before and give a styling as top of 2.8 em, right of 2.8 em, width of 3 em, height of 3 em, and background color of aqua. So it will look like the similar to the earth. Now let's select this dot moon before, give top as 0.8 em, height as 0.2 em, width of 1.2 em, height of 1.2 em, and background color of silver. And lastly we have to give this keyframe orbit. So give keyframe name as orbit and inside it give to transform rotate of 360 degree. So the circular effect is started. Actually there is one issue, so let's I think this is in the HTML, and remove this div from here and close the sun in itself. So now that everything is okay. So that's it for the styling as well. Here we have one sun, the earth is rotating it and the moon is rotating the earth. If we change the background it will look better like universe. So let me change the color. In the body tag remove this background color and give background 135 degree and some colors. So let me do it fastly, then we will see the result. And there we have it, a fully functional earth and moon orbit animation using just HTML and CSS. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this Live Engineer channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.